how to set up two-factor authentication on Shopify. So right here, I have just opened up my Shopify page, and we want to click on my store here in the top right corner. And then near the bottom, we want to select manage account. Now this will redirect us to a new page here from which we have to select security. And then if we scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see two-step authentication methods off, and we want to click on turn on two-step authentication. Now right here, it will ask me to re-authenticate with my account. So I'm just going to re-authenticate. And this is what it's going to look like. So we can either use the authentication app, we can scan a QR code, or we can enter a confirmation code here. So basically, after we have chosen app authentication here, we simply want to click on turn on, and this will enable two-factor authentication on our Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.